You can rev it up a bit, you know. This is Joanne's replacement for her quad. She looks very happy. She'll get used to it in time. When she finds where accelerator is and uses gearbox a bit more. 1100 chopper there. Let's go undercover that. Use the clutch, yeah. Go on. Go on a bit further. Why? We've got rebellion here.
Different now, isn't it?
Look at rebellion. Oh, rebellion. What's wrong with that transport box? No weight, dragging out around. She wants the trailer back. Just do as you told, woman. Yeah, there's no. She's talking to herself. What's she get? Hang on that gearbox. Rev it up a bit! Rev it up! She's looking. Rev it up! I hope she stopped. There's some more wise words going to come out. What are you doing, love?
You stopped the friggin'
Put your brake on.
Where is it? Where is it?
Here. What's that? What the handbrake? There. Well, he's got everything she needs. What are you getting off for?
The bloody trailer off.
Oh, hey up. Hey up. Oh, mutiny.
Give me that bloody phone back and all.